I've sat down with Joaquín briefly. I'm going to be meeting with him over the next few weeks to learn more about his role in these allegations, and that's really it. It's just the very beginning of a case. I'm not sure where it's going to head. I know that there's been a massive amount of rumors and things printed in the press. I don't know what's real. I don't know what's not real. But it shouldn't really surprise anybody that there's a story that seems to be changing every few minutes, which means that much of what's being leaked to the press is inaccurate. I'm not sure exactly what actually happened, but all I know is that Joaquín Guzmán is in Chicago and I'm representing him. But I can say this, this is a fact. You can actually take it from me as opposed to someone who thinks he knows or an anonymous source. We've got no agreement with the government. There has never been an agreement with the government with Joaquín. I assure you that he's not released. He's in prison. He just was moved to a new facility. That's all.
In Chicago?
I can't divulge, obviously, where he is, but he is in U.S. custody. He's accused of a myriad of crimes, not just Chicago, but in various districts. But Chicago is one of the cases, and it's been a case that he was charged in 15 years ago. So, you know, this is where they ended up. It could have been here. It could have been in other districts, and Chicago obviously decided to go first, which is fine with me. I like Chicago. He's all right. You know, I've represented the father for many years now, and I've represented both of these brothers and even their father's wife. They're very easy clients to represent. Joaquín is highly intelligent. He understands what he's facing. He understands all of this, and you know, I like him already. I mean, he's somebody that I can relate to, just as I related to the father, just as I related to a video. I'm happy to represent them, and I'm proud to represent them.
Because he was not extradited, there was no agreement with the government of Mexico. He could face the death penalty theoretically, right? Because of that one count.
Yes, yeah, that's exactly true. Because there was no extradition, he is facing death. It's accurate.
Do you find it odd that El Mayo was on the plane with your client? I mean, there was two of them and a pilot, as far as we've heard.
You know, I don't know. You know, I don't know what to think. Mayo's obviously, you know, he's doing his thing. He's managed to stay clear of a jail cell for 50 years. 50. It's very impressive. I'm not sure how he did it. I wish him all the luck in the world. I hope it works out for him.